Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how setting up an LLC can literally cut your tax in almost half. Here, what I'm doing, I'm just in H&R Block software, and I've got 100,000 in gross receipts from my business. So I'm going to say I'm making 100,000. Now you can see right now that my tax is almost 28,000. And then state tax would be 5227. So we'll actually be eliminating that too, because we're going to be taking this income in a jurisdiction where there is no state income tax, and that would be Nevada. So you can see that, so that this is real software. Say I've went and put in 50,000 and calculated. See, it comes into roughly half. But let me just go ahead and put in 100,000. And that way, if you say you make 30,000, you can just take my numbers and multiply them times zero point 0.3, and that'll give you 30% of what I'm doing here. So right now it's at 27,695, and let me write those numbers down so I can calculate this. 27,695, and then additional 5227 in state. So now let me do this. Let me go ahead and close this out. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create, I'm going to take the income through a K1. So we're going to say this is 100,000. Okay. All right. So I've already got that set up. So let me go ahead and save that. State tax is not going to be much different. And again, in Nevada there is none. And so anyway, at 69988. So there's the difference right there. The difference between setting it up. So now let's go through and actually look at these numbers. So let me go over and pull up my calculator. So here's my calculator. All right, so what we've got is when we did it with just the sole proprietorship, not using an LLC, we did 27,695, and then from that we subtract what it costs once we just formed an LLC, 16,998. So we saved $10,000, right? Which is pretty good. That's every year.